Can I turn this rusty Goodwill find into beautiful home decor? Let's find out. Hello, this is Erica with Vapor Honing Technologies, and a couple weeks ago I found these at a Goodwill, and honestly, you can tell they've seen better days, but I saw them and I was like, you know what? I work at Vapor Honing Technologies. This is perfect for that. So clearly you can see that these are brass. So what I'm gonna do is throw this into the machine right behind me. It's got glass bead in it. It's gonna make this really pretty. Let's do it. And we are back. I think these came out pretty great. Something that I think is really cool is even on this fine detail here, I was able to get every single groove and it came out very clean, very nice, and did not affect any of the detail in the brass whatsoever. I think I definitely succeeded in making this beautiful art decor. Going home, hanging this up immediately. So just so you know, you don't have to be a mechanic. You don't have to have a big company. We have hobbyist machines. We have a micro hone that is great for jewelry. You can refinish your jewelry, make your jewelry look brand new. These came out amazing. I am obsessed with them. Hopefully you are too. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you like and subscribe. Check out more videos for more information on this process and what other things we have here to offer at Vapor Honing Technologies. Visit our website, and if you have any questions, we are a phone call away at 828-202-5563. Thank you for watching.